And let's talk about performance so far and activity. I mean, we're a little worried. Yesterday we saw activity down 44%. Seems like the market has warmed up. Certainly looking at drivers, I would say it's a Q3 result expectation. What's your take, Olakanmi?
The market continued where it stopped, where it closed yesterday on a bullish run this morning. Banking sector doing very great. And I think this will continue until we see the Q3 results. Q2 was very good, and people expect, or traders believe that the Q3 will follow the same pattern. And based on that, people are really upbeat about the market. So the banking sector is doing very, very well this morning. Like you said, the First Bank is trading pretty well, trading at about 1650 on a very good volume. It's done over 30 million units as we talk. Access Bank is doing well, it's above 9 naira. Sky Bank is trading limit up. Basically, almost all the banks are doing very well this morning, with the exception of one or two who has not really witnessed price appreciation this morning. Q3 result is expected any moment, from next week or so, if not this week. So you don't see anything happening in the market. If at all the market is not going to go up, it will possibly remain flat, because nobody wants to miss out on the good result we are expecting in respect of Q3.
Well, I'm curious to know, what are some of the other sectors that we're seeing good performance coming out of? I mean, you said Lafarge Wapco, you mentioned earlier to me, is also one of the stocks where we're seeing quite a good performance today. Are we going to see the cement stocks or some of those construction stocks sort of driving the market as well today?
I think generally the market it's not just the banking sector that is driving the market, I should say. Non-banking stocks too are doing well. Like you said, Lafarge is up this morning. Dangote Sugar is up. So you can see that. And yesterday you see Unilever doing very well. Almost all the sector of the market. The banking, the construction, the food and beverage. Those are the usual suspects driving the market. So they continue to do well. Apart from those stocks too, you see insurance companies are also joining the wagon nowadays. Most of them, like ICO, NEM Insurance, Custodian, they started joining the wagon of bullish stock. So they are also doing well. Apart from, in the past, you see insurance sector not doing well, but now most of them are joining the trade. So they are doing well. Generally, the sentiment in the market is what I would say driving the market. Generally, the sentiment is very good. Traders are upbeat about on their trading. So we don't see bearing any negative news in the economy, which we have not witnessed any in recent time. Market will continue to do well and continue to go up until we see the end of Q3 results, which we expect to start coming in any moment from now.
Quite a positive outlook there, Olakanmi. But in terms of where investors' interests are and where it's sort of waning currently, what are the laggards we're seeing now? Suddenly, there are some sectors that we expect to be doing well that aren't doing so well. For example, the ICT sector. We're not seeing so much interest from investors in that sector.
Oh, generally, there is investor apathy in that sector, like you say, the ICT, the likes of. Not just the ICT and the telecom, the likes of IHS, the types of Starcom, e-Transat. There is no activity on those stocks. e-Transat is a funny one to me, because if banking sector are doing well, you should expect stock like e-Transat to also do well, because it's the platform, the payment platform for the bank. So I don't know why some of this sector, but I think by and large, what you see is that even though the market is upbeat, investors are not foolish like we did in the past. Like what happened in the 2007 and where we just buy anything. People look at what they are buying now. You want to see good results. So any company that people see is not doing enough in terms of profitability or corporate governance, we don't know what you are doing. Market will not touch them. So they remain bearish at that level. But if you do well and people know what you are doing and good corporate governance, then market will move into the stock.